A sink drains. Water circles the hole. Someone says in the northern hemisphere it must spin counterclockwise. It sounds scientific, and it is usually wrong. The idea comes from the Coriolis effect. Because Earth rotates, moving air and water appear to curve when observed from Earth's surface. In the northern hemisphere, large-scale motion tends to deflect to the right. In the southern hemisphere, it tends to deflect to the left. This effect is real. It helps shape hurricanes, ocean currents, and long-range atmospheric motion. But a bathroom sink is not a hurricane. In a sink, bathtub, or toilet, the Coriolis force is extremely small. The water drains over seconds. The container is small. The water is disturbed by the shape of the basin, the angle of the drain, small currents left from filling, tiny motions of the hand, and irregularities on the surface. Those local effects are far stronger than Earth's rotation. That is why water in a sink can spin clockwise or counterclockwise in the northern hemisphere. It depends on the initial motion and the container, not mainly on latitude. A drain with a slight swirl from the faucet may continue that swirl. A basin with an off-center drain may guide the flow one way. A hand moving through the water can decide the direction without anyone noticing. The Coriolis effect can be observed in small water tanks, but only under carefully controlled conditions. The tank must be symmetrical. The water must be allowed to settle for a long time. The drain must open gently. Even then, the effect is subtle. In nature, the Coriolis effect becomes powerful because of scale and time. A hurricane may be hundreds of kilometers wide and last for days. Air moving toward a low-pressure center is deflected by Earth's rotation again and again. Over long distances, that small deflection accumulates into a large rotating storm. A sink has neither the size nor the time. The common misconception is that Coriolis force determines every swirl of water on Earth. The better explanation is this. Coriolis force is real, but it is weak on household scales. In large systems, it can organize motion. In small systems, ordinary disturbances dominate, so the next time water spins down a drain, it is not giving a simple demonstration of planetary rotation. It is mostly revealing the last small push, tilt, current, or shape in the basin. Earth is turning beneath the sink, but the sink is too small to care.